Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. By the end of this Tinubu's regime, Tinubu must have succeeded in dismantling Nigeria. What I mean by dismantling Nigeria is this. Follow me. You see, anytime people talk about the unity of the country called Nigeria, what makes us one is because of they are the one driving the ship and others are non-entity. They are benefiting from the, from the masses' herd. You can't have two captains in a ship. But Tinubu is dismantling Nigeria because Tinubu wants to make sure that Nigeria will have 6 captains. And this is like a play. It started by, first of all, making sure that the government will start sending money to the local government directly. People might not see that as a sign of his move or something he wants to do. I hate Tinubu because of the way he assumed power, because of how he supported Buhari to impoverish Nigeria, import terrorists, do all those things. But when I see the steps of someone, I will come out to say it. Now, I don't know what is motivating Tinubu, and I don't know his mission, but this is what he's doing. After the local government issue, what Tinubu started, to do is to make sure he dismantled so many things that binds Nigeria one. And part of them is the oil money and location. How they share the oil money, that even though you don't produce anything, you have population, other states in the north, they benefit massively from Nigeria federal location. But what they are going to do now, Tinubu want to make sure that every state will earn from what you produce. Every state will earn from what you produce. So if you don't produce anything, you eat nothing. And that is why a lot of them are angry, saying that the Niger Delta eat their oil. Let us eat our granite. Forgetting that Niger Delta, they are great farmers. If not because of the riverine area that oil pollution is destroying, fish, cassava, yam, pepper, everything you can mention, they have it in the south. Now, I'm not saying that any part of the country is weak or any part of the country cannot stand alone as a region or as a country. That is what I'm saying. But there is something that makes people to feel that they want to remain one in Nigeria. That is what Tinubu is about to dismantle. And he has already done 30% of it. Look at everything. Especially this tax bill. Tinubu will never go back to it. And it is going to cause a lot of havoc. But the man don't care. It is his turn. He's going to do anything in his power. He saw everything right from time. How they even took power from Abionda. Then he understood how this Nigeria is. Tinubu told everyone that was in 1998 that he don't believe in one Nigeria. Someone who told you that he don't believe in one Nigeria, today he's a president, and you think he can't do anything to dismantle this country. Tinubu will dismantle this country by all means. At the end of his regime, nobody will have interest to say, I don't want to be one Nigeria, I want to be one Nigeria. Everybody will be saying, if the country wants to divide, let it divide. Because that thing that binds people together is not good thing. It is cheat. They cheat you. They use your brain. They try to ride on your head. They try to do all sort of things. That is what is keeping this country together. Nothing else. It is greed, selfishness, conquer. Let me conquer these people. That is what is keeping this country one. And that is why you see what is going on. How can it be that DSS, NIA, they were unable to track terrorists or people who are funding them? It is only Kunda Olawumi that came out to tell us, no, I was the head of NIA, forget all those things. People who are sponsoring them are in Aso Rock, they're in the Senate, they're everywhere. He said that on the national television. So people who are in the government, they already know. And because of that, Tinubu is not even listening to Kashin Shettima. Tinubu is not listening to anybody. Tinubu is very stubborn. Very stubborn. Now, he is bent in dismantling everything. The money you work, you get. You can't take revenue from Heroes Beer in Anambra when you destroy the same beer when it comes to your state. The taxes that come from your state, you take the big share, everybody, and the nation is boiling. Tinubu did not stop there. The National Aviation School, he put it in 6 geopolitical zones. 1 to Delta, this. Everywhere now, we have the benefit of that thing. But Tinubu's next move is so dangerous. Nigeria Defense Academy. Tinubu want to dismantle Nigeria Defense Academy in Kaduna into 6 political zones. Now, majority of people in Nigeria like what Tinubu is doing now. You might not like this man like me. I don't like him. But if I don't like you, that doesn't make me not to speak the truth when I see the truth. I am bent in speaking what is happening, the way it is. Now, a lot of people don't still understand that when all these things, after Tinubu must have done all these things, okay? Notwithstanding, Tinubu took almost all the whole position, the vital positions to Lagos, to the southwest. His people, he gave them the whole key position. Maybe he don't want people to betray him because of what he wants to do. Because people that are going to receive the bullet of Tinubu's policies, number one is Akpabio. Because Akpabio is the rubber stamp senator who is ready to make sure that he supports Tinubu. Even though Tinubu want to divide Nigeria to that, Akpabio will do that. Tinubu's kind of restructuring is something that he will not bring people together and say, let us restructure Nigeria. He is doing it, doing everything. So, people will not have interest in this thing called Nigeria anymore. Now, the North are already saying, let us divide, let us go, let us Arabaka, let it go. Because things that we are bringing us together was hurting people. You see, if you are dividing something for two people, one side is happy, one side said, no, I don't want again. You keep on sharing it like that. That side that is happy is cheating the other side. So when you do everything to the favor of everyone, they will not use bullets to divide this country. The reason why people are shooting bullets, why they do Operation Python down, why they don't want to see Sunday Igbo, why they don't want to see so many people, why they still detaining and they can, is because of all these things Tinubu is dismantling. But can he be able to do everything? I don't think so. I don't think so, because the people who put him there, even the new colonies, the West, that pipeline, gas pipeline from Delta State, they are taking to Spain, direct to Europe. They are so much interested in it. And they don't want anything that would stop it. Maybe tomorrow, when countries divide, they will start afraid negotiating with different countries. Niger Republic is already giving the headache. Because Niger Republic don't want the gas to pass their country. They want to sabotage it. So they are also doing everything possible to make sure they remove the Niger president, the military ruler. So a lot of things will unfold not many days hence. By the way, when it comes to insecurity, no one can solve insecurity situation in this country. I told you people this thing before, right? Tinubu said it by himself. He said, I can't fight insecurity, they will kill me. So there are so many things that are so deep when it comes to insecurity situation in Nigeria. So I think if this country can divide or go back to regional system of government. In fact, the regional system of government is more or less the country has divided, okay? Because everybody will feel free now and secure his place, develop your place, and do so many things for you. See, let's see how Tinubu is taking this thing too. There are so many things I hear as rumor. I don't say what I have not confirmed, okay? There are so many things I hear as rumor that people in Tinubu's government are telling us that look at what this man is going to do. But doing all these things, that one will not also make him to become the best person or a good person. Tinubu is the same person he is. He's the same person that can keep people for power. He can do everything. It is my turn. Fight for it, snatch it, grab it and run away with it. He still remains the same person. But when it comes to the issue of his policies and what he's doing, he wants to dismantle Nigeria. Dismantle everything that makes people feel that this Nigeria must remain one. And when he's done doing that, let's see what is going to happen.
Kasan nan ta rubu. A raba ta kawai. Wallahi. A ra'ayina da masu ra'ayi irin nawa, kasan nan ta rubu. A raba ta kawai. A raba ta. Oduduwa su ɗauki nasu. Biafra su ɗauki nasu. Mu musulmi mu ɗauki namu. Wallahi wannan shine solution. A raba ta. A raba kasan, wannan shine ra'ayinmu, a raba ta. Su ci man su umma mai din ne. A bar mu da shanunmu, a bar mu da wakenmu, a bar mu da gyaɗanmu, a bar mu da shinkafanmu, a bar mu da dawanmu, a bar mu da geronmu. Ku je ku ci fetur ɗin. Ku je ku ci. A raba kasar. Mu samu mu ɗabbaka shari'ar musulunci. Ba wata shegiya Ngozi ko Dabora da za ta zo ta fi tsirara suke rabin mamanta a waje ta ɓata tarbiyyar 'ya'yanmu, ta ɓata ba shegen da ta yi haka da sunan constitution ya ba da right babu wannan a rabu kawai wallahi rabuwan kasa ne shine alheri ga musulunci ga musulmai wallahi tallahi shine kuma shine munafukan cikin mu da su ƙara bayyana mu gano su ko kudu ko arewa wallahi a raba ta domin ba za mu yarda ana kashe mana 'yan uwan musulmi ba mu kuma su suna zaune a nan lafiya ba zai yi ba gwamnati ki ta kinnot ba za mu yadda ba za mu yadda a kashe mutane musu suna zaune a lafiya suna ɗebe matattalin arzikin ƙasa ba za mu yadda ba wannan ba an fa zo wajen red line ba za mu yadda da wannan ba shine gaskiyar magana ba za mu yadda ba yawa ko da a yi stopping ko kuma a yi yaƙi wannan shine gaskiyar magana wallahi